watching The Sunday Push with Mr. Eagle Vision. Tell somebody we're live.
Tell somebody we are live. Tell somebody we are live. The Sunday Push with JR. Come on in, y'all. Come on in. We have made it to another Sunday. I think we're like in 6 or 7 Sundays. Now, do y'all remember that one Sunday I was traveling and I was like, I don't feel like doing it, but I ended up, somebody said they was looking for it. And so I ended up having to record it and I released it on a Monday. Okay. I say that to say we here. It's up and it's stuck and we ain't gonna quit. We ain't gonna quit. You know, that's country. We ain't gonna quit. We are not going to quit. We are going to keep pushing. And that's what this segment is for. That's what this little podcast, I ain't gonna say little, this what this program is for. So you can push and do what it is that you have been called to do another week. Okay. We try to get from Sunday to Sunday. All right. We ain't trying to get to next month to next month. We're trying to get from Sunday to Sunday. All right. So you can watch this all week just so that you can be encouraged. If this is your first time here, welcome in again. I am JR, Mr. Eagle Vision, and this is the Sunday Push with JR. Look, pray until something happens. Praise until something happens. That is what we're here for today. And today we're going to talk about something that one of my coaches, one of my mentors said to me yesterday, and I feel like it was worthy for me to share it with you all today on the Sunday Push with JR. Before we get into it, again, I need you to share. I need you to come in with an open heart. I need you to come in ready to receive. I need you to come in with a pen, a pad, however you take notes, so that you can take these notes or whatever gems you need, and so that you can really, truly apply them to what you have going on. Okay, so let's get into it. So yesterday, Pastor BJ said something to me that I cannot stop thinking about. She simply said, do not underestimate your options. What? That one sentence challenged me on yesterday. She said, do not underestimate your options. And I believe that word will encourage you on today. So yeah, Pastor BJ said, do not underestimate your options. And it sounded good. I was like, but what does that mean? So of course, y'all know I had to dig a little deeper. So one of our main points today, sometimes we focus on one door that we ignore so many doors that God has already opened. I'm going to say that again. Sometimes we focus on trying to get to the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. But God has already opened up so many other doors for you. We pray for opportunities while overlooking ones that's already in front of us. Look, you already have done this to make money. You already done this to make money. But we're so focused on, okay, let me get to the next. Let me get to the next. You are not out of options. Ask yourself, what opportunities have I been ignoring? Okay, let me say this for myself. I'm a social media coach. I know how to write music. I know how to do hair. Let me be real. I know how to sing. I know how to write plays. But we're always trying to think of what's next. What have you already done that works? What have you already done that works? Instead of you trying to get to the next thing, the next thing, the next thing, I need you to say, what have I already done that works? You have more options than you think. What skills do you have? What experience? Ooh, this is a good one. What relationships have you already connected with? What people do you already have? You're not out of options. You have so many options. God often provides multiple paths, not just one path, multiple. If you're just now joining us, thank you so much. We are watching. We are doing the Sunday Push with JR. We do this every Sunday at 7 p.m. just to give you a little bit of encouragement through the week, because I know as entrepreneurs, I know as workers, and those of us who are in corporate America, I know for us still trying to do our business, we need a little push. And so I created something called the Sunday Push with JR. And today's topic is you are not out of options. You have more options than you think. Okay? You have more options than you think. You don't have to be broke. You don't have to be broke. You have more options than you think. And so the first thing we said, sometimes we focus on trying to get to the next thing. But if the first thing worked, yes, welcome in. Hey, Jamaican. Yes, 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 yes. So if the first thing worked, don't try to keep on reinventing the wheel. Look, if that first thing made you some money, keep on doing that first thing. What skills do you have? What's your experience? What relationships have you built? Again, God often provides multiple paths. And our next point is we need to stop limiting God. We have to stop putting limits on God. Don't put God in a box by thinking your blessing has to be one specific way. Your next opportunity could come through one conversation. Your next opportunity could come through one video. Your next opportunity could come through one phone call, one act of obedience. One act of obedience, and God can take your business off. That's why I tell y'all to show up. That's why I tell y'all to post. That's why I tell y'all to work to give. That's why I tell y'all don't get discouraged, because if God done it before, he can do it again. He can do it again. He can do it again. What options do you have? You're not out of options. You're like, oh my gosh, my money acting a little funny. What options? Come on, go take inventory of what you can do. What can you create? Y'all know I've been teaching y'all how to do ebooks and digital products. What digital product can you create? So stop putting limits on God. That's that song. There's nothing too hard for God. There's nothing my God cannot do. There's nothing God cannot do. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to listen to kind of what Eagle Vision has going on, what I've had to do. I've had to explore what God has placed in my hand. Eagle Vision Productions. We have talk shows. So yes, I have to take inventory for Eagle Vision. What has God put in my hand? I'm a singer. I'm a social media coach. I write stage plays. I bring people together. Come on, I know how to help y'all create your digital products, your digital services. What has God put in my hand? I am not broke. But the thing is, you have to say, okay, God, what next? That's it. Now I have all this. You put all this in my hand, but what next? How should I do this? What should be next? And so that's kind of where I'm at with things. Yes, I'm a gospel recording artist. I can't say that enough. I am. I'm a gospel recording artist. Yes, I'm a social media coach. Yes, we do plays. But should I be doing plays right now? Should I be doing the networking events right now? Should I be releasing music? Because what I have learned is you need to pick one thing, focus on that thing and go hard, and then go to the next thing. It's not that you can't do all the things, but you need to not do them all at once. You don't need to do them all at once. And so for this week, this is what I want you to do. I want you to make a list of 5 opportunities that you have already had. They may have not been perfect, but they were possible. So don't underestimate your options. And in that list, I want you to go back and say, What can I do again? What can I do to make this better? If this is one thing that I know I was able to make some money from and people liked and people gravitated towards, how can I make this better? How can I make this better? So I pray that this short broadcast, this short session blessed you. I pray that you receive. I pray that you open up your heart and say, Lord, help me to see what opportunities I've already had. And if I have not done anything, help me to get busy. Help me to show up. Help me to find out, as we say, my niche. What is it that I'm supposed to be doing? What is it that I'm good at? Write down 5 things. And we're going to start working the gift. Let's work the gift. If you're a singer, it's time to start singing again. Come on, if you write plays, it's time for you to write plays again. If you want to produce that podcast, come on, it's time for you to produce that podcast. Let's go. Let's go. It's time for you to produce that podcast. It's time for you to create that ebook. Let's go. Now, look, if this was for you, please make sure you say something in the comments. We are growing this page. Sometimes, even with me, I'm like, Lord, is anybody watching? Hey, I'm going to keep on showing up. And you have to keep on doing the same thing. Keep on doing the same thing. Keep showing up. Because, again, it just takes one conversation. It takes one phone call, one email, one person in your live stream that can change your life. But it can't happen if you don't show up. So think about what you need to be doing. And meet me here next Sunday, same time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am JR, Mr. Eagle Vision, and this is the Sunday Push with JR.